Hi everyone, I cannot tell you how excited I am to be showing you this journal. I've used a kit, the very first kit from my very good friend Jovi at Creating with Jovi, and I couldn't wait. I have been working on this like non-stop, and I just love that kit. I love you very much, I think it is, in a Etsy shop. So this is what I've made with it. So as you can see, a lot of hand sewing on the cover, and but you can see it. I've stitched these on. I've done some machine stitching underneath. It's got layers of lace and fabric and doilies, and then on the spine it's a big doily, and I've put some ribbon, some voile, which is all tangled up in the beads, and some fabrics that I've used throughout the book. We've got a collection of little paper, I think they're paper beads. So there, and I've got one random little bead there. On the back, more layering of fabrics, doilies. This is a vintage piece that my brother brought down. So as you can see, it is full of scrumptiness and very squishy, very squishy. You know I like the squishy ones. And down the front here, I've just stitched on this trim. This is the same one as this, and it's just got beads and diamantes, and I've called her Love. I couldn't fit I love you very much on. And ties up with this big cotton fabric, and I'm going to leave it long, but it may need cutting down. Okay, so what I did was I printed the kit out onto some coffee dyed paper, so it's given it a bit more of a shabby look, because you know they'll like that. And it's all lined with this fabric. I've actually stitched around on the sewing machine. There's a layer of lace and voile in between as well. In this pocket there's a couple of big hearts. There is snowbell fluff on them because it's on everything in my house. So I'll try and get some of that off. I made this little heart quite a while ago. It's like a little notepad, little heart-shaped notepad, and I thought it's perfect to put in here. This is a hand-stitched pocket. So this is just stitched on and then machine stitched onto this back bit. Okay, so put a little tag on there. This is part, anything with this lovely design on is all part of Jovi's kit. So this is another hand stitched pocket, and I've just glued that one down. I've got a little mini notebook here as well, little heart-shaped book. I think this came from Kathy at Kathy's Favourite Things, so I'm going to pop that in because it's perfect. I've done fabric ruffles, lace. This is the shaker that I made in Jovi's collab for Valentine, and I thought it's perfect to just pop into this journal. And lots of, I've just done some stamping and stenciling on pages. In this envelope are some more bits and pieces for journaling on. Just some old bits that you might want to put in here, or you might want to save and put in another journal. So I just thought I'd pop them in. I'm stenciling another bit of lace. I've used this fabric throughout because it's sort of the right colours, red and pink and bits of green. So that's on top underneath the lace. So doily, I've just done some stamping. This is part of the kit. Some vintage writing paper, more ruffles. Oh, shh, didn't see that. I have only just finished it and I was so excited. I just had to come on and show you. Love this. Just got that out of a magazine. That was holding down my cat because I've just put this one on. Obviously, there's always a little wooden cat. And just a tag in there. Have you come off as well? Where's my paper clip? Do you know what? We're going to pop you in here with this one. So that little girl there can go in there. I think I had her pinned on, but I don't know what happened to my paper clip. Made a little tiny pocket here with that little book that I showed you on my Dash to Treasure, I think. And I said it's going in my Valentine's book. So they just pop into there. Obviously can be moved anywhere. Some more ruffles. Stamping. Oh, just look. Didn't it turn out really cool on the coffee dyed paper? I love it. You know me, it's got to be a little bit grungy. So I've just stuck some hearts and doily on the back of there. This is decoupaged napkin onto some paper. And made another little book with some vellum and coffee dyed paper. Thought that was really cute. Lots of little notebooks, lots of writing space. Is more of a writing journal this. I haven't crammed it full. I know, can you believe that? Little pocket here with another tag in. I've got to have some flamingos in there. This is Jovi's kit. Little page of voile. I just thought that would be super cute to put that in. There's a little tag that I made, a little cluster on it. I've got some acetate that's got hearts on, a little tag going in there, and just some plain on the back. This is a pocket made from a vintage handkerchief, and I've stitched around it, and it actually goes over to the other side as well. So I've also popped in another one of the tags that I made in Jovi's collaboration. So that's in as well. Little belly band with a tag. Can do some more decorating on that, but you can't put too much in because it doesn't fit. More stenciling all over. Look, I love this. And I found this saying, go where your heart takes you. I thought that was so cool. Love the little caravan. Some butterflies, some more this vellum. I think they've got that one from Rhonda. I just put some stickers on. More fabric ruffles. Writing paper, the other part of the voile. Made an altered paper clip. It's even got beads on it. And this is just some writing paper, which I thought is really, really pretty. So that went in as well, folded up. And the back of the paper clip is just over there. Stamped made with love. Another one of my little, she says, take it off without getting the stitching off. Another one of my little handmade tags, and you might have seen this one on my Stash to Treasure. I decorated this one. Playing card. Had to be the Ace of Hearts. And she goes in. Oops. My fingers are freezing cold. It's cold here again today. I don't know what temperature it is. It's not freezing, but it's just above freezing. On the back, there's some more. That scrapbook paper and another tag. Where's it gone? Where's my little clip gone? There you go. Oh, I just love how that turned out. And another little booklet in the back with the rest of that vintage hanky. I popped a, what do you call them? You can all tell me in the comments what they're called. I've forgotten. And I put Chase Your Dreams. And again, just some paper. You can add more pockets. I've left you some stuff to do. This is another hand stitched pocket. And I've just layered that up. There's voile on there, cotton, lace, and it just all goes in there. Recrafted by Carol. And that is her all done. And it's been an absolute pleasure. There are some tags that go with this kit. I didn't use them. but Jovi did on her video, on the first video of the Valentines series that we're doing, and you can see them there. So I'll link Jovi's channel and her Etsy shop in my description box. So if you like the look of the kit, pop over, have a look, and go and support her. You know, it's a gorgeous kit for Valentine, or for any sort of journal that you're making for somebody that you love. I think it's wonderful. And you can see it where it's not been grunged up. You know, on my channel, it's going to have some grunge on it. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you like her. I think I will be listing her in my Etsy shop. Haven't decided. She's sort of quite, you know, it's sort of like it's the first one I've made from Jovi's kit, and I'm like, oh, do I want to sell it? So yeah, I may sell it. We'll see. If it's in my Etsy shop, I've decided to sell it. I'll see you soon, guys.